Hello, it is 2:12 p.m. on the 15th of January 2026. This is a quick break checkup on the account itself and its current status. So cash we have 11,971. We're moving to total equity of 11,061. So we have an improvement from this morning. The margin max buying power is at 17,566. And total max buying power is at 60,600. And I am using a account that leverages the portfolio, so other accounts that I actually manage. We're going to go and take a look at the account, the positions of the account itself. The open P&L is still on the negative, but it's at negative 18 compared to this morning's negative 56. So I'll see you there in a second. All right, we are now at the positions tabs, and just in that quick change, it went to a negative 20. So it's basically lost $2 from the time that we made that change. And it is 2:13 p.m. So it hasn't been that long, same day. And we still have the same stocks. That hasn't changed from this morning. What has changed is basically the P&L for the individual stocks. BN is at +4. Equinox is at 76. Seabridge is at 0, so no gains, no losses. TA has improved by a bit. It's at $100 loss compared to the 150, if I remember correctly, from this morning. At this point in time, we still have a bit of time. Tomorrow is going to be the expiry date for the January options. So we're going to be keeping an eye on basically people moving in and out of the expiration and into the next the next options cycle. We do have a few earnings coming up in February. We want to basically close out before that happens, and we have one in March. TransAlta was opened last year, and it's has earnings coming up as well on the 19th of February. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna take you guys very quickly over to the market tab. Quick disclaimer though, just remember that this is not meant for financial advice. It's just me documenting my journey with regards to trading and investing. I don't want you guys to copy my trades. That's not what I'm here to do. I'm just here to show you what I go through on a day-to-day basis, and this is just a quick recap of what's been going on. So please do keep that in mind. Having said that, here is the market that we're currently reviewing. And we have, let's see here, let me just refresh this real quick because this heat map does not refresh on its own. Okay, so we have the markets have recovered from yesterday. They are still in positive territory. A few of them are at the bottom here. These are probably some that I may purchase, but not likely because of the day is almost done and I don't have much time during my break. Let's take a look at the market view. Markets are looking healthy, recovering some of the losses from yesterday. We have the NYSE, the Nasdaq, S&P 500. We have the TSX here, all looking very good. So if you managed to buy some good stocks yesterday that were basically on sale, and you see this current recovery and pop, you may have some profits that you can take advantage of. And that's my personal trading style. I like to go long when the markets basically drop, and I like to pick the stocks that are basically on sale. Good stocks, no negative news or anything. Once they drop, I might just buy in or add to my position and then sell it off later on. And that's basically it. It only takes a few minutes to review the market, to see what's going on, review the actual account. Most of the time I don't go to my account balance. I just look at the open options, and then I look at my list of stocks that I'm interested in purchasing. So everybody has a different way of doing things. This only took about 5 minutes or so to do, and I am basically just explaining things to you. A few seconds here and there, you get used to it. It's something that you can actually develop, and if you're following along, you may actually be able to develop this particular style as well, or just incorporate some of these parts into your own investing style. Of course, like I stated earlier, this is not just for financial advice. Speak with an advisor, but this should give you basically an idea as to what somebody goes through with regards to their own personal accounts. And in my personal trading style, I don't like to spend too much time. This is not a full-time job. It is just basically me going in, reviewing the investments, finding what I want, dealing with what I already have, and then getting out, because life is busy. We have other things to do. And of course, life is rough without cash. So feel free to follow along by subscribing. It's totally free. Give us a like if you like this way of reviewing accounts fairly quickly. And if you have any questions, just write it down below. Let me know what you would like to know. Anything really helps, any suggestions. And feel free to look at one of the videos that we have here on the screen. Bye for now.